So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide price in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Shopify admin panel. So just log into your Shopify account. Next, you will need to do and click on online store. You can see themes, pages, preferences. So on here you can do a couple of things. One is to download the app, which you can embed later on. So first we're going to edit code. So you can do that and add code which will limit users who are not logged in or users that are just visiting the site from seeing prices. So you can add that code there and you can find it through the chatbot. The other thing you can do is go to apps, scroll down a bit for Shopify App Store, and you can see it right here. Click on that. Once you are on the Shopify App Store, you can just go ahead and type in hide prices. So you can see the apps which are built for Shopify. You can see request a code, hide price, request a code, hide price. So these apps are mainly even for security purposes there. So you can ask the visitors of your website to first log in and then they will be able to view a price. So you make a condition. You can also go to here and just if you want to install apps on Shopify, make sure that they have this built for Shopify sticker. So it's going to be easier for you to implement it later on. So once you do have that, you can go to customize and just click on app embeds and add that app. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.